Good morning. Today's session we are going to see the math subject for grade 3. Previous session we discussed about the how to represent the 4 digit in different forms. What are the 3 forms? Word form, expanded form and another one is the number form. Okay. So I hope everyone or understood the concept clearly. Okay. So next we discussed the new topic, that is first one comes after, before, skip counting, comparison. I hope these three topics are familiar to you. Okay, so but you have to see in this number in the 4 digit. Okay, shall we see that topic? Yeah, all of you take your studio, page number 37. Those who not have this studio, just listen the video alone. Okay. Yeah, so in studio page number 37, so next topic is that comes after and before. Before we see the topic, we have to see the PEP activity. Okay, so see here they given a key question. How can we arrange the numbers in sequence? So how we have to arrange the numbers? We have to use the order. We have the order. Okay, so see that PEP activity, the room numbers of hostel sparks have been peeled off. Peeled means it is removed, it is tarred, okay, peeled off. So help the painter paint the right numbers, write the right number, I mean the correct number. Okay, that activity 2.9. So here they given the how many doors? So totally here having that 5 doors. Only the 2 doors alone have that number. So remaining 3 rooms we have to write the number. So here 564 before what is the number? Exactly 563. Next 564 after what is the number? Yes, 565. So after 565 already it is given 566. After the 566 what is the number? Yes, 567. Okay, so everyone you have to write the answer in your studio itself. Those who not have the studio, take your notebook, write the activity number and the name of the activity. Write these number in your notebook itself. Okay, next one. So let us try the same for the 4 digit number. So first question, which number comes one before 4528? One before, I mean before that number. What is the, see that option? They given the 2 option, 5528. Next one 4527. So which is the correct answer? Obviously it is the B option. Tick the B option. Okay, next one. Second question. Write the numbers that come one before and one after. So the given number is 2375. Okay, we have to write that before number and the after the number for 2375. So in the light box having no there, we have to write the answer. First we have to write the what is the before number for 2375. 2374. Yes. After that number for 2375 is that 2376. Okay. Yes. Now see one here. See the line. To find a number one before and one after. So underline the word black letters. One before and one after for a given number. We change the digit in the dash place. So if we find the number for one before and after means, so what is the changes in the places? What is the change? In which places has been changed? That we have to write now. So see, observe the three numbers, 2374, 2375, 2376. So which place has been changed? So see the 1000 place 222. In 100 place 333. Next in tens place 777. But in the ones place 4, 5, 6. So obviously which place has been changed now? Yes, very good. That is ones place. Write ones. O-N-E-S. Ones place has been changed to find a number one before and after for a given number. Okay, now we understood. Yes. So shall we move the next activity? So next activity is 2.10. Here we are going to find the number but 2 before and after. Okay, 2 before means you have to skip that one numbers. Okay, so see here, fill in the blanks with the numbers that are 2 before and 2 after the given number. So see here, for example, now it is a 4. So you have to find the 2 before that number. Before the 4, what are the numbers? 2, 3. Okay, after the 4, what are the numbers? 5, 6. 2 before means you have to skip that one number. So this is the 2 before the number for 4. Next one. 2 after the number means you have to slip this number and move to the 2 steps. 2 steps number, that is the 2 before. Okay, now the 2 after the number of 4 is 6. So you have to find like this, you have to find the answer for this question. 5478. 5478 means 2 before the numbers. 5 as it is you write. 4 as it is you write. Okay. 7 as it is you write. And then now here it is a 6. Okay. 2 before. 2 means is 6. 7 you have to skip. 6 is the answer. Here the after then means what is the answer? 478. Next one 479. Next one is the 480. 480 is the answer. Okay, so this is the answer. You have any doubt? Yeah. So see the next one. Here it is the ones place has been changed. Okay, next one. 4, 3, 2, 1 means it's a 1. Next 4, 3, 2. After the 3 is 4, 4 after it's 5. So this is the answer. Okay, next one, see the second questions. Skip count in hundreds to fill in the blanks. So you have to observe that digits first. 3425, 3525, 3625. So which place has been changed here? Yes, very good. That is 100 place has been changed. Now it is a skip counting in hundreds. They see the question itself they given skip count in hundreds. So after the 600 means what is the answer? 3725, 3825, 3925. Okay, so you have to write this answer in your studio itself. Okay, so see the next question, third one. While skip counting in hundreds, digit in the 100 place gets changed. Okay, so skip counting in 100 means which place has been changed? The 100 place has been changed, but the digit in which place will change while skip count in 1000. In case skip counting in 1000 means which place has been changed now? Yes, very good. Thousands place. Write the thousands place. 1000 CE. Okay. So now we have to move to the next activity. Complete the sequence. 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000. After the 6000 it's a 7000. Next one 8000. Next one 9000. So 10,000 they itself given. Okay. So next it's a number track. On the number track, these numbers are marked in the following manner. Study the pattern to fill the empty boxes. So here they given one track. Okay, here some skip counting concepts given. We have to complete the, we have to fill the empty boxes. So see that number 1100, 1200, 1300, 1400, 1500, 1600. So in the given number you can now identify. So skip counting in which place? Obviously it is a 100 place. So next one is the answer 1700, 1800, next one 1900. Okay, 2000 they given. Okay, so this is the answer. You have to write it in your studio itself. Okay, next one. Next activity 2.11. 2.11. Observe the pattern and fill the blanks. So next one, observe the patterns and fill the blanks. Okay, see here they given 3 questions. So listen carefully. So if you complete this pattern means first main thing you should observe the given digits. So see 2348, 2348, next 3348, 4348. So now you can identify which place has been changed here. Very good. It is a thousands place. So see the thousands place. Yes. So what is the next answer? Yes, very good. That is 5348. After that 5000 is a 6348. Okay, so this is a way you have to complete the pattern. So very important, if you have to complete the pattern means first you have to observe the given pattern. Okay, so see the next one. 5404, 6404, 7404. So which place has been changed here? Obviously in the thousands place. Okay, so what is the next one answer? 8404 and 9404. Okay, so see the next one. 1329, 2329, 3309. Which place has been changed now? Which place has been changed here? Yes, very good. That is thousands place. Same thousands place. So what is the next number? 4329, 5339. Which means here thousand number is added to that number. So then only we have to get the same numbers in all the place. One place only is changed. What is that place? That thousands place only changed here. So that is the pattern. Okay. So next one. Did you skip count in tens, hundreds or thousand? So here it's a skip counting in tens, hundreds or thousand. Yes, obviously it is a thousands. Write the thousands in the given dash. So everyone write the answer in studio itself. Those who not have the studio, take your notebook, write these activity number and write the question in the notebook itself. Okay, shall we move the next question? Yeah. So next question, there is an India versus Australia hockey match taking place in the Bangalore Hockey Stadium. Each session A to G can accommodate 1000 people. Use the figure 5 to answer the following question. So see that A to G. So only 1000 people can sit in the A to G platform. Okay, but each platform we have to sit in the 500. Okay, so totally the two platforms we can sit the 1000 people. So remaining B and G also 1000 peoples. D, E is the 1000 people. Okay, A to G is 1000 people. G to F is 1000 people. Again E to F is 1000 people. Okay, listen. So see the question properly. Each session we can sit the 1000 people. I mean A, this part, that 8 part, I mean A platform we can sit the only the 1000 people. Okay, in the G also we can sit the 1000 people. So A 1000 and then here the 1000, here also 1000. So 1000 means you have to add all the 1000. So G also 1000. E, F also 1000 people can sit in this platform. E platform also we can sit in the 1000. D also it's 1000 people. C also it's 1000 people. B also is 1000 people. Now we have to add all the 1000. Okay. 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000. So totally we can sit the how many people in the stadium? 7000. Okay, 7000 is how many people can the stadium accommodate in all. Okay, all means we have to add all the 1000. That is 7000 is the answer. Okay, you have any doubt? Yes. Next last one is the third question. Third question is very important, so you should listen carefully. Place these numbers on the number track. So see here they given some numbers, but the number track is in the 1000. Skip counting in the 1000. We have to keep these numbers in between. We have to, that number will come in between the two numbers. Okay, that we have to find now. Okay, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000. So what is the first number? 6,285. 6,285. In between what are the numbers it will come? Yes, 6,000 and 7,000 in between. That 6,285 it will come. So we have to put one arrow mark. Okay, we have to put one arrow mark. So there you have to write the 6,285. Okay, 6,285. Next one, 9,584. 9,584. These numbers in between, which numbers? What are the numbers in between that 9,584 it will come? Yes, very good. 9,000 and 10,000 in between. Here we have to put an arrow mark and write the 9,584. Okay, next one. 7,866. Here that number will come in between the, very good, 7,000 and 8,000 in between. So put one arrow mark and write that number. Okay, next last number, 8,764. In between 8,000 and 9,000. In between that 8,764 it will come. Okay, yes. So this is a way you have to place the numbers in the number track. Okay, next fourth one, pick a number of your choice. This is your question, you have to do it yourself. Pick one number of your choice. The number I chose is dash. Here you have to took the 4-digit number and you have to write in between the numbers. You have to write. For example, this is your example. Don't copy that same number in your studio. This is your example. In case I am choosing the 4,840. Okay, 4,840. So this number comes in between that number we should write it here in between. So 4,000 and 5,000 in between 4,840 number will come. Okay, so this is the way you have to write the answer for the fourth question. Okay, fourth questions you have to. So this is your example. Don't copy the same thing in your studio. You have to think yourself and write the answer for the fourth question. Okay. So next it's your home fun. It's a companion activity. 2E. Trace the path by skip counting in thousands to help the squirrel to reach the net. Okay, see here they given one path. You have to use a skip counting in thousand. So see that you have to use a 1,000 means skip counting in 1,000. Next one, 1,000 means 2,000. You have to go here 2,000. After 2,000 it's a 3,000. 3,000 after it's a 4,000. 4,000 after 5,000. Next is 6,000, 7,000, 8,000. Like that you have to move to the reach the nuts. Okay. You have any doubt? Yeah. So we have the another one also, that is second and the third question. Here you have to increase the number more 10, 100, 1,000. Okay, listen carefully. For one question I will write the answer. 10 more. 10 more means you have to add 10 here. So 10 means which place has been changed? 10, which means it's a skip counting in 10. So 2,855. In case 1,000 more means, so which place has been changed? Obviously it's a 100 place. 2,948. 1,000 place means 1,000 place has been changed. 3,845. Okay, so this is an example for you. Remaining you have to do it yourself. Okay, next one. So this is 10 more. You have to increase here, but the third question you have to decrease. So 10 less. You have to less the 10 in the tens place. So already it is 4. 5,637. Okay. Again it's a 100. 100 less. 100 place you have to reduce. 5,547. 1,000 less. 4,647. Like that you have to write the answer for remaining questions. Okay, you have any doubt in the home fun? Yeah. So to compare the numbers, we first look at the number of digits. So while you have to comparing means first you have to look the number of digits. Underline the word. Number of digit first you have to observe. Okay, so first one. If the number of digit is the same, compare the number of by looking at the digits in the highest. In case number of digit is the same means you have to compare by looking the highest places. Highest number of digit, if it is the same means you have to compare the highest place of the number. So see here also 4 digit, here also 4 digit. So in that example you have to see the highest place. So what is the highest place in the 4 digit? Obviously it is the thousandth place. Now you can identify which is the greater number. Obviously it's the 4280. Okay, so this is the way you have to compare that number. Since they have a 4 digit, we compare the digit in the thousandth place. And if they have 4 digit means compare the digits in the thousands place. Thousands place. So now it is the bigger number is 4280. 4280. Okay, next, if the number of digits is different, means the number with more number of digit, that is a bigger number. So see, they given one example, 776 and 7859. So now you can say 759 is the dash number. It's a bigger number. Pick the bigger option, right in the given dash. So this is the way you have to compare. So to compare the number means you should see the number of digit first. In the number of digits same means you should observe the highest place. That is the one thing. Next thing, if the number of digit is different means, so which number have the more number of digit, that is the bigger number. So 2 ways to compare that number. So that common thing, you have to look the number of digit. The number of digit same means you should observe the highest place. Number of digit different means you should observe the which number have more number of digits, that is a bigger number. Okay, so next one, look deep activity 2.12. The distance from Chennai to Amsterdam is 2634 kilometer, and this is the distance from Chennai to Delhi is the 2201 kilometer. Which place is closer to the Chennai? Here you have to compare, so that both the number have the same number of digit. Same number of digit means we should observe the highest place, 1000 place. 2, here also 2. So in case the same number have in the highest place means we should see the next place. Here 2, here the 6. So which is the less number? 2201 kilometer. So which place is the closer to Chennai? Yes, Chennai to Delhi. Delhi is closer to the Chennai. So this is a way you have to compare the numbers. Since the digits in the thousands place is the same, in the digits in which place did you compare? So just now only we saw that in thousand place have the same number means we have to see the next place. What is the next place of 1000? Yes, very good. It's the 100 place. So write the 100 place. 100 place. Okay. Yeah. So see that next activity. So next activity is very easy for you. Match that activity. This one is a greater than. This one is a lesser than. This one is equal to. Simple. Next one is 2.13. Mount Remo I is 7,385 meter in height, and Mount Kanchenjunga is 8,586 meter in height. So which mountain peak is higher? Okay, you have to compare the number. So have the same number of digits. Same number of digit means we should observe the highest place. Highest place is 1000. So obviously the Mount Kanchenjunga is the higher. Okay, higher mountain. So which mountain? Mount Kanchenjunga. What is it? Kanchenjunga. Kanchenjunga is higher. So this comparison you have to do it yourself. Okay, first one only I have to do it now. So remaining you have to do it yourself. So first you have to compare that number of digit. Same number of digit. Same number of digit means you should see the highest place. There also it is same means you have to see the next place. So it's a 9. So you have to put that greater than. Okay, next one. So see that number of digit is less here, so obviously it is a greater. So this is the way you have to identify, compare that numbers. Okay, remaining you have to do it yourself. So next one, companion 2f, it's your home. So companion 2f, it's your home fund. Read the statement and circle the greater number in each. So they given the statements, you have to read the statement and compare the number which is greater, that you have to circle here. Okay, next second what? You have to compare the numbers using the symbols. So just now only I taught you how to compare the number. Okay, if that, you should observe the number of digit first. If the number of digit is same, means you should observe the highest place of the number. Okay, otherwise you have to, number of digit it's different, means number of digit, in case here it is 3, there it is 4, means you have to compare which number have the more number, that is a bigger one. Okay, this is your home fund. Okay, so now I am going to conclude this session with the quick recap. So in this session we learnt the before and after the number for the 4 digit, skip counting in 1000 and hundreds, skip counting in 1000 and hundreds. Okay, next one is skip counting in, and also we learned the very important thing, that is the place these number on the number track. That is very new for you. Okay, you have to concentrate for the in the third question, so that is very important. Okay, place these numbers on the number track. Okay, next one, last one is the comparison. Comparison you already know very well. So this is the clue, I mean rules for that. So the 3 tick options you have to learn yourself. Okay, thank you.